Okay, here is where you get to create a new ad for your ad group. As you can see here, you can choose between a text ad, an image ad, a local business ad, a mobile ad, or a video ad. We'll go into these other ad types in a different video, but for this example we're going to create a text ad. Okay, a typical text ad has these typical elements: a headline, which is 25 characters long, two lines of description, which is 35 characters long each, and a display URL and a destination URL. For this particular example, I'm going to rip an ad from an existing ad on the Google AdWords search. This is not mine. I'm only using it as an example. So I just basically put in found search skincare on Google and found found this ad in the top ranking. So I thought I'd put it in just to show you as an example. The display URL is what you'll see on the ad, and the destination URL is where the user is taken to when they click on your ad. So this is how your ad will look like once you type it all in, and when you click on it, you'll go to this destination URL, which can be different from the display URL, but the destination URL and the display URL must both lie on the same domain name. So if this display URL is on the skincarestore.com.au domain, the destination URL has to be within the skincarestore.com.au URL as well, or domain name as well. Click on continue to go to the next page. Okay, now Google just finished spidering our landing page, which means they just got their program, their software to come to our landing page, our website, and determine a quality score for our ad and keyword combination. I'll explain quality score in future videos, but for now, just know that this is how to create your very first campaign. Okay, now the next page is for your keywords. I'll go into keywords in more details in another video, but for this example, let's just choose some basic keywords. Let's say skincare, and then click on each keyword can be on different lines. So if you have more than one keyword, you put the second keyword in here. But for this example, we'll just use skincare as a keyword, and click continue. Now Google is spidering out our keyword and landing page just to work out our traffic, that they can estimate our traffic. Okay, now you can enter in here your daily budget. If you're just starting out and learning, you might want to put a small budget. I'm just going to put $20 for an example. You can put anything here at the moment for your daily budget, because this is just for your learning purposes. We will set this campaign to pause, set it on paused, so you don't waste your money while you learn AdWords through this exercise. Next, choose your maximum cost per click bid, CPC bid, which is your cost per click. This is how much you're willing to pay per click to your website. Let's put in 50 cents and see what happens. For the content network, let's just choose 50 cents again for simplicity's sakes. Click on the View Traffic Estimator, and Google will be able to calculate how many clicks you can expect for this keyword with your current bid each day. Google is smart enough to calculate how many clicks you can expect for the current bid. So let's try to raise this cost per click, maximum cost per click, to $1 and see what happens. Notice how here with 50 cents we can expect 69 clicks a day. With $1 we can expect 10 to 15 clicks a day. So the higher you bid, the more clicks you can expect within your budget. Usually these estimates are pretty conservative, so you can expect a lot more traffic than this number that Google reports here. I've seen many cases where I've gotten 3 times the traffic for some of my campaigns compared to the calculated estimated clicks per day that Google shows here. Anyway, let's click continue. Okay, and good. Now you can review your campaign, your ad groups, your ad, your keyword, and your bid. And if everything is good, you can click on Save Campaign. Okay, before we finish off, since this is a learning learning exercise, we have to pause our campaign so that we don't end up wasting all our money, spending all our money overnight. So to do that, just select the campaign and click on the pause button up here. And you'll see here that it says ad group is paused. Or this is in ad group. To pause the actual campaign, go to campaign summary, choose the campaign and click pause. When you're ready to run the campaign, I'll just get rid of this. When you're ready to run the campaign, just select it and click resume. Okay, so there you have it, your new campaign in AdWords. In the next video, we'll go through how to create your text ad in AdWords and different tactics that can allow you to create a more effective ad. So I'll see you in the next video. For more videos like this one, go to www.paperclickacademy.com.